Hey guys, welcome to Devodom. In today's video, we are going to solve this problem. Okay, so let's start. So problem statement says that given an array of integers, count how many numbers are even and how many are odd. Okay, so we have given this input array. Okay, and from this array, we have to just count how many numbers are even and how many numbers are odd. Here, as you can see, this 1, 3, 5 is odd and 2, 4, 6 is even. So that's the output here. Even is 3, odd is 3. Okay. So we have to just find odd and even. Okay. So there is a concept of modulus. Okay. So modulus is like the symbol is this. Okay. This is used to return our remainder. Okay. Let's say we will divide 2 by 2. So 2 ones are 2. 2. Okay. So this 0 is the remainder. Okay. So this modulo will return 0. Here, if the number is even, then if you take the mod of 2, okay, with any number, okay, mod of 2 with any number, okay, of even, so the remainder will be 0. And if the number is odd, okay, then if the number is odd and we take the modulo of 2, then the remainder is not equal to 0. Okay, so let's take an example. 5. Okay, so 5 modulo of 2, it will give the output as remainder. Okay, so we will divide. So 2 and here 5. Okay, and 2 2s are 4. Okay, and the remainder will be 1. Okay, so it will return the remainder. So here the output will be 1. The output is not 0. So that means this 5 is odd. And another number, let's say the number is 12. Okay, so we'll take modulo of 2 with this number. So let's say 12 and here will be 2. 2 6 are 12 here. Here will be minus and the output will be 0. And this remainder will be our modulus result. So the remainder is here 0. So that means the 12 is the even number. We will take any number, any big number as well. So if we take the modulo of it and the result is non-zero, then the number is odd. If the modulo of that number is 0, then the number is even. We will here write the code. So first we will create a class. Okay. So let's say com.find even odd. Okay, and the name of the class is the, let's say, demo. First we will create a method. So public, then the return type will be int. So we will return the integer. Give the name as count even odd. Okay, and here we will pass our array in this. So first we have to create an array here. So we will create the main method, and in this we will create int arr is equal to an array here. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so this is an array, and we have passed this array to this method. Okay, now we will create variable. So int count even, and we will assign this value to 0 initially, and here we will create another variable called int odd. Here also we will assign the value as 0 only. Now we will run a loop. So let's say for int I is equal to 0 to I should less than array of length, and then I will get update. If I modulo 2 is equal to our 0, then we will update the count even variable, because the number will be definitely even. Okay, else we will update odd variable. After that we will just print the even number. Okay. So here we will just print count of even. Similarly for odd numbers, count odd. So here I will not return anything here, so I will return the method as void. Now we will create the object of the class. So first we will write demo d1 is equal to new demo, and then we will just call d1 dot our method. Okay, and here we will pass our array. Now let's run the code. So as you can see, in our array the even numbers are 3 and odd numbers are also 3. Now let's say we'll change this array. Now I have updated the array. Now let's run the code. So as you can see, in this array the even numbers are 4 and odd numbers are 3. This is all about this video. So thank you for watching this video.